Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kate, and as you can see, today we're going to be reviewing the Too Faced Milk Chocolate palette. Now, I have not used this palette. If you saw my room tour or whatever, you saw I did have this, but I've had it for like 3 weeks now. Have not used it yet because I wanted to do a little first impressions review on it. If you want to know how I did all my face makeup, you can check out my full face makeup routine. I'll leave in the cards up here and then also down below. Now, there isn't really a specific reason why I picked out this palette other than I never really had a Too Faced palette before. I also got the chocolate gold one when I got this. But what drawed me towards this one out of the other chocolate gold bar palettes were the mint chocolate and then the lavender cake one. It really stood out to me because it's a palette full of pinks and kind of light browns and just lighter colors, I feel like, and then those two really distinct colors between the palettes really like drawed me towards it. And then also I know the palette smells like chocolate, so I'm like, I guess I'll have to get it. But other than that, there's not really a real reason why I got it. I know it also released around late last year, I think in like October. I may be wrong, but whatever. I do think this palette retails for around $54. Don't quote me on that, but I think it does. If not, you can check Sephora or Ulta and then it should have the price on there. Let's test these out and see how they look. So to prep our eyes for this look, we're going to use the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original. And then for our first color, we're just going to go straight in with this mint chocolate color right here. We're not going to do transition color today. We're just going to go right in with the color. And I'm going to kind of put it on the outer crease area and just smoke it out here. So it's our main distinct color. Okay, so our first color, the mint chocolate, I do really like that shade. It's kind of, it went a little darker than I thought it would, but once I smoked it out in the inner and when it kind of got to the lid, it kind of looked more of pastel color, which is really pretty, and I really like that color. It's going to be a good base color, and then to layer some more stuff on that, it's going to look real nice, okay. I also want to add that lavender cake somewhere. I might put it on the bottom, because I don't want to put it on the lid and then have it be too dark with the green when it mixes, so let's see what we're going to do. Let's go with the smoked sea salt. We're going to take the smoked sea salt, which is right there, and on this little pencil crease brush, we're just going to add it in the outer lid area. We're going to lightly smoke that in there, darken it up. And then taking the same blending brush we had the mint chocolate on, I'm just going to blend that in further. Now I'm doing this instead of blending it in with the smoked sea salt or a nuke brush because I want to have some of the mint chocolate on there so it doesn't get too dark and the color just blends in more of the green instead of more brown. Okay, so it looks like the palette has 3 main kind of frost colors. These are them on the back of my hand. This one is Exotica, the next one is Indulge, and then Pearl Candy and Sugared Raisin. So I'm trying to think of which one I want as my like lid color to kind of sparkle it up a little bit. Let's go with the Pearl Candy because I'm going to add that whiter frost shade and then I'll add some purple below. Using my finger, I'm just going to go in with Pearl Candy and just press it on the lid. Now I'm kind of slowly blending it into where the mint chocolate is so there's an even distributive and it's cleanly blended in. Okay, so that is what we have so far. I'm just gonna brush some green right there. And then let's start smoking it out with the lavender cake in our under eye part. Let me find a brushes. All my brushes are dirty. If anyone wants to Venmo me some money to get new brushes, like, that'd be great. Thanks. Okay, so I'm going to take Lavender Cake on this little shader brush and just smoke it out below. Now, because this is a really light shade, I'm trying to pack as much color as I can on there, and then I might go in with another color on top of it to darken a little bit. Okay, so then taking this NYX purple eyebrow pencil, eye pencil, I'm going to be lining my waterline underneath to have that purple stand out a little more so the color tones kind of match a little. So as we can see, putting the purple liner with the Lavender Cake really makes it stand out because Lavender Cake was more of a lighter, pastellier color than what Mint Chocolate was. So I think that really helped if you added a colored liner in the inner waterline. Makes it wrap together a little bit more. And then for the top liner, we're going to be using the Tarte Black Clay Pot with the Sephora 22 brush. And then using the Too Faced Better Than Sex for mascara. To wrap this all together, let's go in with the NYX lipstick in Soft Spoken. To set our makeup, we're going to be using this Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. And this is our final look, you guys. Using the White Chocolate palette by Too Faced. Overall review of the palette, I do really like it. The colors I use, I think the Frost shade, that was very pretty. It was very pigmented. And then the Mint Chocolate I also really liked. Obviously the Lavender Cake was a little lighter than I expected, which is fine. It is more of a pastel shade. I wish maybe I like switched the Mint Chocolate and the Lavender Cake. I think that might have worked out better, but overall I really like this look. I think it's a really nice, pretty eyeshadow look. I am excited to try more of them, but if you are looking for kind of a palette with some frost shades or some pinks and some light browns, this one might be the one for you. So I hope you guys like this tutorial review, first impressions, everything. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow all my social media listed down below. I am Kate, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!